Noor Aziz joined the Afghanistan project team of the China 19th Metallurgical Group Cooperation Limited in 2017 when the company was building the comprehensive teaching building and auditorium of Kabul University.
کمی که بهتر خوب شدم یاد گرفتم از عاملین پروژه از من خواستن تا به حیث ترجمان امرای شرکت افای وظیفه نمایم.
Before accepting the job, the 38-year-old was a laborer earning wages per diem. Currently, he is responsible for interpreting, communicating with local authorities, and solving material supply problems at the construction site of a housing complex in Kabul.
زندگی اقتصادیم که بود در اوایل کم ذره خوبش نبود و بعداً بازی شرکت که آمدم و یک کمپنی بسیار معتبر و کارمندایش هم یک بسیار مسلکی و فهمیده.
Cao Bin-sun, a procurement manager of MCC 19's Afghanistan project team, said that the team recruits 100 to 200 local laborers at the construction sites, which helps with local employment.
中国石油也呢来阿富汗援助近10余年呢，一起陪伴我们共同进步的当地员工呢，可以说是有20名。我们在这边也是秉着人人平等。我们是把他们当做我们的朋友，当做我们的兄弟，